This is the FOYCOY wireless earphones I got from Amazon. It's already at 92%. Comes with bigger ones and smaller ones for the ears. Looks like it's got medium-sized ones in there already. Comes with a USB-C, USB-A.
I really love these headphones that I just got. I really love how sleek and smooth the case is. Very compact, very smooth, fits in my pocket really well. I also really enjoy how easily it opens, but still stays closed, as you can see. But once it's time for it to open, it's right there. It's got a really nice digital display showing the percent of battery left, which I really like, very classy. And also the earbuds pop in and out, but they're also magnetized, which is really nice. It keeps them stuck in there. It's also really great sound. I was able to play with it quite a bit yesterday. Sound is really nice on them. Everything comes through great. Feels like really nice headphones. They stick to your head well, the little gel bit. Locks behind your ear. Doesn't pinch it or anything, which I really like. Also really like it automatically pairs with my phone. And another little thing, it's got the charger right here. And it uses the same charging that my phone does. So I just plug it in once I'm done with my phone, get them ready for the day. The battery lasts quite a while, which I really like. And they're really good for when I work out. So highly recommend these headphones. Definitely a 5 out of 5 star review for these.
All right, so these are the FOYCOY X10 headphones, sport headphones. Had them about a week or so. They're really great so far. Sound quality is excellent. Got a little charging thing right there inside the case. The case charges them up. You can see they've got a clip, so they hang on your ears very nicely if you're running or what have you. And they actually go in when they're in your ear. It's at an angle, so they're very, very secure. Very happy with them so far. The price, the value, absolutely cannot beat it. I recommend highly.